Hi, my lovely Libras. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Libras, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Libras, while shuffling for you guys, I was getting a very peculiar energy, like someone needs to work through his or her fears, okay? Like for example, someone is being paranoid unnecessarily, fearful unnecessarily, just sitting in the energy of acute fear and guarded energy, like very very guarded energy. You guys really do not have to be fearful about anything. Just step up in the game, guys. You're unnecessarily being low on confidence is what I was getting. I also feel the another message that I was getting was someone might have gone through some sort of betrayal or cheating by someone, someone you trusted a lot has kind of let you down by their behavior, and it has caused you a lot of it has hurt you big time is what I was getting, okay? And it happened right under your nose, and it's like you were blindly trusting someone and all this BS happened, okay? And you are actually finding it difficult to cope with it, and now you are all guarded up, okay? That is also the kind of message I was getting. Some of you guys could be manifesting new love or new job, okay? That was also one message that came through. Okay guys, so with that let's get started. Please do not try to fit in if this doesn't resonate with you, okay? It's a general reading. Do check out your other placements in your birth chart for a better and clearer understanding, okay? Two of Wands. Wow. Yes, Ace of Pentacles. Definitely some of you guys are manifesting a new job, because I was seeing this Ace a couple of times while shuffling, okay? Yeah, strong earth energy coming through. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Two Knights, Page, Hermit. Yeah, there's Virgo again. Oh man, there is Five of Cups also. Yes, there was definitely some sort of wow. I am just not able to wow. Guys, I'm just not able to stop pulling the cards, but I'll definitely stop because the reading gets really longer. So let me just check the camera. Yeah, I think you guys can see the cards well. So yes, in the past you guys were kind of studying for something, maybe researching for something. You guys were probably seeing this Ace of Pentacles in your immediate future. I feel that you guys are preparing for some interview. Maybe you're giving interviews, maybe you're giving some entrance exams. I don't know if it's the right season for that, but you are preparing for some exam. You're trying to find out more information about something, doing due diligence. Please forgive me for the noise, okay? There are some trailers going on from the road. So yes, definitely there was a lot of research and study involved in recent past for some of you guys, okay? I also feel that I also feel that you guys have or could have probably lent money to someone, or might have borrowed money to someone. I feel some of you guys might be even planning their masters or something like that, and you might be taking financial aid, like educational loan or something from financial institutions is what I'm seeing, okay? Yeah, that is the kind of preps that I'm getting, okay? There is a lot of forward movement that I can see right now, okay? You guys have kind of stepped up or rather leveled up in your whatever field of research is, okay? You have gained a lot of confidence is what I am seeing, okay, in your current energy. I feel that you, like some of you guys have reached that stage wherein you are very sure about what you are doing, where you are heading. All your goals are very very crystal clear for some of you guys, okay? You are kind of this Chariot and this King of Pentacles, they're telling me that you have become so confident and you're so sure where you're headed, like you are holding the reins in your heart, in your hand, sorry about that, reins in your hand. Okay, see how this Chariot is, he is actually in power, he's actually in control of these two animals is what I would say. Okay, also this Chariot knows how to use his strengths and weaknesses. Okay, black and white, it's an amalgamation of positives and negatives of of something. Okay, and or someone's persona, and I strongly feel that some of you guys might be leaving your home back for whatever this is that you are pursuing. Okay, like it could be a job opportunity which is away from your home, wherein you'll have to relocate, or I also feel you guys even would go abroad for pursuing your career or higher studies is what I'm getting. Cancerian energy over here. Yes, this King of Pentacles is a very strong energy. Okay, very committed and stable energy is what I'm getting. No wonder or no surprises here, you are going to get your dream job. Okay, this is where you are headed, this is where what your goal for 2022 was probably. Okay, you have prepared for this all through 2021 probably, or maybe even before that, and now you are just headed big time in getting those results. Okay, there is going to be a new job for some of you guys. Probably you might take a short break before taking up this new career opportunity. Okay, maybe you might resign from your existing job if you are working and take a break, or you might just go on a small vacation. Okay, I also feel that you guys are going to, this is not going to be an impulsive decision. You have really thought through every possibility while taking this decision or plunging into this decision. I also feel that you guys have really waited patiently to reach to this stage or to see this day is what I'm getting. Very beautiful energy. The efforts are absolutely paying off. For some of you guys, I also feel that you guys are manifesting a relationship. Like I said, there is a soulmate connection that is happening over here. Okay, now this energy is like it's orchestrated by the universe or the angels or God or whoever you believe in. Okay, you guys are brought together with like a planned sequence of events by the universe. Though you can't see it, that is what has happened. Okay, you were meant to be together in this lifetime, and that is what is happening is what I'm getting. Whatever this relationship is coming into your life, or whatever this new change is coming into your life, it's a very forever kind of a thing, guys. Be it relationship, be it your career. Okay, it's a game changer for the long run. It's not something that is temporary. Okay, it's going to bring a lot of stability in your life, emotionally and otherwise. Also in terms of money also, I see lot of money, guys, lot of money. You are stepping into an abundant energy is what I'm getting. Maybe I also feel that this partner that is coming into your life, okay, that partner could also bring in good charm for you guys is what I'm seeing. Okay, there will be a lot of abundance. Whatever work was stuck for you guys is all of a sudden going to start picking speed is what I'm getting. Okay, there's going to be a lot of forward movement all of a sudden. Whatever that was clogged, okay, that's just going to open up is what I'm seeing over here. Lot of money coming through. 9 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. Yes, from 9 you're stepping to 10 and this Ace of Pentacles. It's like just wow, just simply wow. Okay, there is no card of waiting. Like there is 6 of Pentacles, but there is no 7 of Pentacles. The wait period definitely is over for you guys. Okay, and it's just time to enjoy the blessings or enjoy the benefits of all your hard work. Okay, for some of you guys there could be some property deal also coming through. Okay, if you were planning to buy or sell property, that is also going to happen through. Okay, that will also give you a lot of money. You could get money from inheritance. Like I said, I also feel that it's possible that you are, you know, taking some loan or financial aid as well. Okay, something that is going to bring in a lot of money to you. Don't say or don't take it as, okay, it's loan money and it's not my money. No, it is an investment that you are making in your career, which is going to bring you a lot of money in the future. Okay, that is what I'm talking about. Three of Pentacles, yes, you have worked really hard on achieving this, or, you know, reaching to this stage. It's not a overnight success, or it's not a matter of luck for some of you guys. Okay, it is a fruit of very much hard labor put in. Okay, a lot of blood and sweat put in is what I'm getting over here. Probably you guys have also teamed up with different people, working in a in a team of 3 people. Okay, not necessarily, but could be the case. Okay, I also feel the universe has been working hand in hand with you in this, though you were not able to see. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting. What a beautiful energy, guys. What a beautiful energy. Virgo energy, the Hermit card and the Hangman. I am I think, guys, there was for some of you guys, this is very specific. For some of you guys, there could be a phase of transformation that you have gone through internally. Okay, you guys kind of isolated, went into isolation, introspected, and you started seeing things differently. Okay, it's like, could be because there was Hierophant card that also I kept on seeing a lot of times. I do not know. Hierophant is someone who is it first thing is, it signifies marriage also, but someone who has strong belief system. Okay, I feel some of you guys have entered into spirituality, or maybe indulging into religious rituals as well, maybe meditating also, but something that has led to transformation of you of yours spiritually. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting. Okay, strong Virgo energy. There is strong earth energy in this chart. Okay, you guys definitely check your other placement. You might be having strong earth in your chart is what I'm getting. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, more so Virgo is what I'm getting, and then Taurus. Okay, but yeah, there is a complete shift of shift in the way you have started seeing things. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting. Some of you guys also need to take a break is what I'm getting. Maybe you have been working too hard. It's time to take a chill pill now. Okay, your hard work is paying off now, so please do take a break. Okay, you deserve it, and you have earned it. That's the kind of message I'm getting. Page of Cups, King of Cups, and Knight of Swords. Guys, there could be there will be I see a lot of communication coming your way. Okay, lot of communication coming your way, lot of messages being exchanged. Probably there is like sudden change in your life is what I'm getting. This Knight of Swords is telling me some sudden changes happening in your life. It's like you have been waiting for something to happen for like past few months or even years. Nothing was happening, and now bam, everything has started falling into place all of a sudden, and one thing after the other is coming up or showing up for you. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting. I also feel that some of you guys are going to get some messages or some proposals in terms of relationship. This person could be this person is having a lot of young energy to them. Okay, you guys might be young, you might have age difference. I do not see that way, but there is definitely difference in mentality or psyches of two people. Okay, someone is really very very emotional and very young at heart. Okay, very young at heart, and I feel that guys, there is a lot of Cancer energy coming through strongly. Okay, water, apart from earth, there is a lot of water that I'm seeing. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, more so Cancer is what I'm getting. Okay, this person is extremely emotional. This person is going to offer his or her love to you. Okay, and I feel that you guys are going to accept each other's love is what I'm getting. Okay, this is the perfect partnership for both of you guys, and you mirror each other. Like, you're so similar, you absolutely mirror each other, and the bond and affection is going to be mutual is what I'm seeing over here. What a lovely energy and what a lovely reading, Libras. I absolutely enjoyed doing this reading. Let's pull some additional messages for you guys from this beautiful deck. Something has flipped. Emotions are running high. Yeah, there is a lot of water. Okay, so I feel that the changes are so overwhelming. You are going to feel really very overwhelmed and emotional. Okay, like oh my god, is this really happening? That kind of energy. Okay, I'm feeling so happy myself and excited too for you guys. Please drop comments and let me know, guys, what has happened in your life. I am really curious to know. What else for my lovely Libras? Anything else for my lovely Libras from this beautiful deck? Okay, it is time to take action. Yes, indeed, and you are going to take action, because there is this Chariot. Okay, this Chariot is all about forward movement, and just you're done with your research, you're done with your due diligence and homework, and now you're very much stepped into the action part of it, and that's what has come through. And yeah, I mean, all you have to do is now just get going, okay, and reach for the stars. Yeah, let's see what messages we have for you guys. Reconsider. Okay, this card somehow was showing up while shuffling also, pre-shuffling also. So if you are trying to take some action, okay, give it another thought is what I'm getting from this message. The angels want you to consider well. Okay, listen to your intuition, reconsider and listen to your intuition. Improving health. Okay, do take care of your health amongst all this, guys. I see you have been working really very hard in your recent past. Okay, so please do take care of your health as well. Anything else for my Libras? Any timelines, any yes, no, or any additional messages? Okay, anything else for my Libras? Trust. Yes, trust in the timing, trust in the universe, and have faith. Okay, everything is going to fall in place for you guys. That's the message that I'm getting over here. So Libras, let's pull some charm and call it a reading. Please forgive me for the noise. Letter Q. I do not know why I end up pulling this initial Q. If at all it means anything, maybe it's time to question whatever it is and not believe in something blindly. Initial A, if at all it means anything to you, person, place, or whatever. Star and Aquarian energy. It's time for healing as well as, yeah, I mean, spiritual, emotional healing, but it's also time to make your dreams come true. Okay, it's a time to manifest your dreams into reality, reaching for the stars, basically, is what I'm getting. Dollar. Yes, guys, I am not at all surprised. You guys definitely have lot of money and abundance coming through. It's written all over the reading. Okay. Initial J, if at all it means anything to you. Letter J. And what is this? This charm had flipped and I had kept it back, and there it comes again. We are all mad here. Such a lovely charm, isn't it? I mean, do not take life so seriously, guys. Definitely have some time to chill, fun, have some fun, okay? And be playful about life in general, okay? Libras, I absolutely loved this reading, okay? If any of this is your story, if any of this matches or resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. I'm really curious. And last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.